I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need to act now. Verify a recent Time Machine or iCloud backup and confirm the exact Mac OS or iOS build you want to return to. Once done, download the matching installer or IPSWA. Make sure the checksum matches. Connect power and a wired network for stability and free at least 20% of disk space. You'll also prepare a bootable USB for Mac OS or a computer with Finder/iTunes for iPhone. This avoids mid-restore failures and saves time. Start the rollback itself. Boot your Mac into recovery or from the bootable USB, then select Restore from Time Machine Backup and pick the snapshot preceding the update. For iPhone, enter DFU mode and use Finder or iTunes to apply the IPSWA that matches your device model. During transfer, keep cables snug and the computer awake. You'll see progress bars and logs. Read errors carefully. If files are large, expect 20 to 60 minutes. Let the process finish uninterrupted for a clean restore. Once the restore completes, confirm the Mac OS or iOS version and open a few apps to verify stability, then restore any missing personal files. Make sure to disable automatic updates in System Settings or Software Update so the unwanted update doesn't reinstall. If something goes wrong, try Safe Mode, reset NVRAM or PRAM on a Mac, or repeat the restore using an earlier backup. If errors persist, capture the error text and retry the process. That detail tells you whether media.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.